right. So basically what we got here, I was trying to figure out how to do a mohawk, right? So simply put, I wanted to optimize, right? So what I've done is I've done a flat sheet plane. I've basically flattened out all of these, get rid of that, all of the points, right? I've flattened it out. You need to have mirror mode off, because otherwise that's gonna mess you up in the long run. So what you want to do, how I got it so straight and what makes it so simple once you flattened it out, I assume most people know how to use the meshes anyway, so we're going to skip that. I used the rotate mesh. So what I did with that is I first had it like this. So I first flattened it out on its default plane, right? And then I used the rotate to bring it up, right? So then by the time you rotate it to the place that it needs to be, you should have the red one like that. And then if you notice, when you move the red one, see how it goes thin? That's when you know that you've got it more or less straight. Now there's a bit of inconsistency there, but what you need to consider is only this, is how high are you going to have it. So you only need to perfect as far as that. So when you've done this, if you move something, you can basically freely move it. And if you make multiples of this before you start, multiples of that one before you start, let's say 5 to 10, right? That allows you to make the mohawk you want. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you watching. Bye bye.